Welcome to MetaMatch Legends Premier course. We believe we are all heroes. We are here in a mix of educational entertainment. We call it edutainment approach, that how we can together build a consciously aware community. And we all gonna be here consciously in a mission. So MetaMatch here is not to change you. It's just to enlighten the path for you and for ourselves. So you can consider us as like you already have the star constellation and you are mapping the path between the stars, how to navigate this the best way. You will find it out yourself. I was there, many others like me were there, and we created all these ideas and put it in together that you will see in that course and many other courses. So many people were asking me, why nobody told us this before? I would be easily navigating my life to find my best match. To live the way I like. But the idea, because we're all centered about how to bond with ourselves, how to find the best version out of ourselves, and you're doing that while you are actually navigating through your life. So you're stuck sometimes with people that hate you or like treat you in a way that you doubt yourself, and on the go you don't know which version of you should be fit. And you found out after a while you have so many personalities and you don't know which one is actually your default setting. And here is MetaMatch role. We're gonna take you through that in a way that we can be a compass for each other and do the best version out of ourselves. So as you can see here in the cover page are the crystal of our destiny. Whatever goes in, goes out. So whatever you glow inside your body and inside your mental health, this is what actually gonna radiate and reflect all around you. So we want to make sure that our content are valuable for you and makes a difference in your life, that you feel really that you have your best self-discovery, self-awareness, match with the people you feel best fit in career and love and social engagement. And then we'll take you after that introduction of the history of the idea that MetaMatch present, where it came from and how that developed, and how to know more about their self-discovery and how they can navigate their life in the best way. And then we'll take some examples in life of how these characters have their dynamics and relationships and communicate together, how they view each other and how they can live or disconnect from each other.